Hello viewers, this will be a series in which I show simple, proving effective workouts to help solve common errors in track and field. I'll start off this series with a common error in the sprinting events, which is the bending of the waist, coming out of the blocks, or even in any other starting position. Right now, you are looking at some examples. The workout I'm sharing with you, which you can add to your repertoire, is the single leg block start. What I like about this drill is unless the athlete is very weak or uncoordinated, the correct body position will only take a few training sessions to achieve. Looking at the setup, the athlete steps onto the front block pad. The pad needs to be set on the first angle, which is 45 degrees. The back leg should be in line with the same side shoulder and on the ball of the foot. Arms are held in an appropriate sprint start action. Due to the body angles created by using just one pad, she's forced into a good position to push off from. Because if she was to lean a little more forward from the position you are looking at, she would tip over. If you are a new coach, make sure to observe where your athlete's front foot strikes the ground. It needs to be on the ball of the foot and close to the center of mass. Upon the front foot ground contact, look to see if the shin angle is close to 45 degrees. Then look at the torso angle. That must also be close to 45 degrees. You can simulate this drill without using blocks. You see Zaya here doing a 2-point start. To avoid bending at the waist, a strong, powerful push-off is needed. Also, patience is needed here because the back foot needs to remain pushed forcefully into the ground until the athlete has the extension of the body like you are looking at. The stronger the athlete, the easier it is to get more distance between the back and front leg. The bending at the waist will occur if the back leg leaves the ground way before this extension. One of the cues I use is you want to come out like a bullet. Everyone understands that a bullet travels straight. One key note that I've saved as a reminder is a quote from Altus course that I did. It said, when attempting to change a movement, it's critical to understand which buttons to push. An athlete cannot move in a way their body will not allow them. Find out if it is a physical or structural problem. End quote. Altus is the track and field training center where the coach/consultant Dan Pfaff works. I mentioned that quote because before trying this drill on your athletes, you need to figure out why they can't do the task before working out how to do the task. Is it inadequate strength? Is it lack of power? Or is it a technical misunderstanding? Maybe the athlete is not comprehending your vocabulary. That's it for now. Talk to you again soon.